Holy fluffy pillows.
Sorry about that. I didn't know it was going to appear that close. It's, you know, sometimes the magic, it's a little weird. So anyways, what's the question, man?
My question was, I haven't seen this mattress before. Pro Breeze level 3 cooling. What type of mattress is this?
This is the new Tempur-pedic Pro Breeze. They just released their Pro Breeze and their Lux Breeze. We'll see the Lux Breeze in a second. Great question. This is pretty cool. Literally cool. Haha. So, how's it feel?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. All
A
right,
little
so
on the firm side, I'd say.
Pro Breeze is a cooling bed. Its number one priority is to keep you cool while sleeping through the night. Here's one of the cool technologies, though. It has a new removable cover, which most Breeze beds, all Breeze beds, never had this removable cover. The reason is because they used to have a treatment called PCM, phase change material, they would put in the cover. And when you washed it, it would wash away. Well, they have new technology. It's called mica fiber. They put 2 times the mica fiber than you would see in one of these mattresses right here, another Tempur-pedic mattress, and it actually keeps you cooler 3 degrees more throughout the night. Then we have some other cooling technology in this cover here. We have some phase change material inside the actual mattress. But overall, this is the coldest, the second coldest product on our floor that we have right now. And we are very excited to have it on our floor. So you want to check out the Lux Breeze?
Sure, let's go.
Let's
check
go.
out the mattress. So I'm over here at the mattress. I don't know what happened to the king, but this crown feels kind of nice over here. Right?
Hey.
I don't know where the king is.
I don't know what's going on with this
What
magic.
the fluffy pillows?
Give me my crown. All right, so we're at the Lux Breeze right here. This is actually 8 degrees cooler than the original mattress that we were at. It has the same mica, twice as the mica in the cover, so it keeps you extra cool. Feel that mattress, Prince. How's that feel? Right here on the actual.
It's almost cold.
It is cold. It's not almost cold. It is cold, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So with this bed, I just want to show you this. Your Pro Breeze has this pure cool phase change material. What you get here that keeps you even more cool is the Tempur-CM Comfort Layer Plus, and that gives you, it's ventilated and it gives you more and more through the night cooler sleep, and that's one of the reasons why you're going to be at 8 degrees cooler in this Lux Breeze. So that's the new Pro Breeze and the Lux Breeze. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks you guys. Please like and subscribe.